Hello and welcome to packagingfoils.com. Today we are here to know what Alu Alu foil is used for and its advantages in blister packaging. We have created a small presentation for you for better understanding. Alu Alu Blister Foil is now chosen by many pharmaceutical companies for packaging of hygroscopic tablets and capsules as it has many advantages over the normal blister foil. Alu Alu Blister Foil packaging provides very high barrier protection to the highly weather sensitive drugs against water vapor in the atmosphere, oxygen, and intense light. It comes in many varieties which differ at the thickness of the aluminium foil at the center, which ranges between 45 micron, 50 micron, and 60 micron. This is laminated adhesively with the help of adhesive on top with 25 micron oriented polyamide, which is also known as nylon, and at the bottom by 60 micron polyvinylate chloride film. All of these layers are joined with the help of adhesives. Alu blister packaging material has excellent formability, very high degree of thermal stability, ultra high barrier properties, and it also provides a very nice aesthetic appeal because of its silver shine. Now, why should we use Alu Alu packaging instead of blister packaging? Well, there are many advantages over the normal one, and some of them are as follows. Firstly, Alu Alu blister foil packaging consists of aluminium foil on both the sides and hence provides maximum protection against UV light, heat, moisture, and microorganisms. Alu Alu blister foil offers long-term resistance to delamination and enhances shelf life of the product. Nylon film used in Alu Alu blister foil offers high mechanical resistance to puncture and tearing. It gives strong sealing with aluminium blister leading foil, and since nylon film has multi-axial forming property, which doubles the formability of cold forming foil, that is Alu Alu blister foil. Hence, bigger size capsules which require bigger cavities can be packed in Alu Alu blister packaging. For more information, please feel free to contact us at packagingfoils@outlook.com, and thank you for watching.